dear colleagues, dear participants, and good afternoon, dear Minister and State Secretary. Good afternoon, dear Mr. Schenk, and many thanks for the invitation. It is my honor to be here with you today as the President of the German-Romanian Chamber of Industry and Commerce, shortly as AHK, and as Managing Director of BASF in Romania. The AHK or AHK has a history of almost 20 years here in Romania and has approximately 600 member companies. So it's the largest bilateral economic association in Romania. And with our members, we basically feel the pulse of the economy. And we can say that the pulse is beating now fast and strong again here in Romania this year. And this is also confirmed, dear ladies and gentlemen, by the IMF GDP forecast with plus 7%. With our AHK committees and working groups, we are closely connected with the government, and we have also an agriculture working group. So this year we had a good exchange with the State Secretary Aurel Simeon, and we have agreed and communicated our first position paper concerning agriculture. Let me set in this context, set a bit the frame, why we see it as important, and the frame is global. And therefore, Friedensbrot and the mission to collaborate for a peaceful world and across borders is fully in line with the AHK. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, each year globally there are 80 million people more on this world, on this planet. Imagine 80 million people. That means each day a town of Kronstadt or Brasov is coming on top. In the next year, in the next 25 years, 2 billion people. And while at the same time we are losing arable land in the size of Mexico due to climate effects, all these developments has the potential to trigger new distribution conflicts, dear ladies and gentlemen, and that means wars between states and people. Yeah, due to the unbalanced availability of food. And here agriculture, of course, plays a key role. Good, intelligent, and sustainable agriculture can mitigate and avoid these conflicts. So it can contribute in the interest of peace and people. And Romania, now coming to Romania with its arable land, plays a key role in a strong Europe. So the world currently sees a paradigm shift from a linear economy to a circular economy, new forms of energy, and to more sustainable agriculture. And in order to achieve this, dear ladies and gentlemen, we believe a new dialogue between politics, society, economy, and agriculture, of course, is needed. So it is needed to ensure that Green Deal will be a success. And in this context, I would to briefly underline some of our priorities to share it with you. So first of all, the adoption of an updated legal framework aligned to the EU legislation on the manufacture, repacking, marketing, and use of plant protection products by finalizing the respective legislation. This is really important. Important is also that the implementation of digital solutions in all kind of institutions, contact points for farmers will be done properly. Education is here very important and plays a key role. And of course, a significant reduction of bureaucracy here in Romania and increase of speed and efficiency in handling of all kinds of related procedures. And finally, the implementation of state programs to motivate farmers to further increase productivity and decrease the CO2 emissions by using farm management systems, GPS and data connect solutions. So when it comes to long-term priorities, the recognition of agriculture as part of the EU Green Deal is a must. Unfortunately, agriculture is presented often here as a part of the problem and as also part of the solution. So this issue should need to be tackled as soon as possible because the Green Deal offers a perfect context to start and run an image campaign in favor of agriculture. As said, dear ladies and gentlemen, the economic framework is good. Private consumption and investment would be the main drivers for growth in future. But is this coming also to agriculture? Yes and no. The harvest will be excellent this year here in Romania. But we have not to forget, dear ladies and gentlemen, a lot of structural topics which must be tackled in addition to the mentioned ones. So what does this mean? The importance of agriculture in Romania is linked to the fact that more than 20% of the population work in agriculture. Often elder people, but young farmers play a key role. We believe that the lack of access to land finance and education are the main challenges for young farmers which are they faced with. We need to address the generational renewal problem. This is need for transition towards a green and modern agriculture. And of course, we see the development of food processing industry. To develop the agriculture food processing value chain, there are many topics, of course, we have in mind here. As said, there are many topics on the agenda, and I addressed only a few. As AHK, together with the Friedensbrot, politicians and society, dear ladies and gentlemen, we want to pull in the same direction for the better of the country, of people, for sustainable agriculture development, in order to ensure peaceful development of the world. And in this spirit, I would like to close my remarks and congratulate you all to this event and wish a great evening. Best regards from Bucharest.